Hey guys, welcome in Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to remove vocal from any musics, either it is video songs or audio songs. Yeah, of course, you can remove your vocal sound and you can make your instrumental song or karaoke song simultaneously. If you would like to reload your vocal sound on any instrumental after removing the vocal or original sound, of course you can have by using of a virtual DJ. So let's see how you will do. For example, in this video tutorial, especially in a short, I would like to show you how you will remove and how you will make a firstly instrumental song. Then in the next video tutorial, I would like to show you that how you will make or reload your vocal sound on any original instrumental musics. So for example, let's see here. Now see here. So see guys here, this original music vocal sound I would like to remove, and I would like to have the only one instrumental here. So how it is, so let's see. Now see, now see guys here. So how you will in all musics you can remove the vocal sound also, but in a particular from here to here, yeah, from anywhere according to your own crystallization. If you would like to remove the vocal sound, how you will do, let's see guys here. Just I am going to here close and I will start once again how you will. So you will have to maintain the consistency to watch till the end of this, and I assure you 100% you will be expert to remove the vocal sound after making an effective instrumental. So just close it. So this is my original content here. Just I am going to open this. Just it's going to open guys, don't worry. A little bit PC is working very slow of this computer. Now it's open. Now see guys, I will drag one song here. Now just I will increase 4-5 according to the requirement. Just I will go for reverb. This is, it should be on a 30 degree and this should be on a 90 degree. This is a reverb music. And second one I will go for delay. This one also I will take 30, 90. Now see guys here, in mixer just I will keep it high gainer, this one also I will keep it high. I will off this ones. Now see guys, here I have already cut this hot cue. So this is a hot cue guys. How you will cut a hot cue, that's I have already mentioned in a video tutorial. If you want more, then I will give you link whole tutorial of this how you will do. So now see guys, here this is my hot cue. So I've already selected by a key. So see guys, here. So it says start from here. I have selected this one. Now I will go for in stems. In stems, this is a for vocal, and when I will unhide this ones, now it's not highlighted, then vocal sound will be removed. Now this is instrumental. If we don't have instrumental, then of course we can have only one instrumental on here. If you would like to kick, of course on music you can have. If you would like to hat, of course you can bass. But this one is a very important thing. If we don't have an instrumental, only one vocal sound. Now see guys, only one I can have the vocal sound, only one here. How it is, so let's see. Now see. Sorry, just this one I need to highlight so that vocal music will come. Now see. Now see guys, here just I would like to have an instrumental only one. So now how can I? Now see. So it's your instrumental. Now I would like to have bass, beat, kick, hi-hat. Now let's see how. And this one I will go for in rhythm options. Now let's see. Now I would like to. So of course you can have this visually. If you would like to have the whole song as a karaoke, as an instrumental, or only one the vocal sound you need, not instrumental, not kick bass, instrumental, or a hi-hat, then of course you can have it according to your own crystallization. This is a good feature, especially in a virtual DJ. So of course, if you would like to have this software also, of course I will give you download link there. Directly you can have, and simultaneously of course you can make it effective by using these all features. So thank you guys, thank you very much indeed.